The 2011 Wisconsin protests were a series of demonstrations in the state of Wisconsin in the United States beginning in February, involving at its zenith as many as 100,000 protesters opposing the 2011 Wisconsin Act 10, also called the Wisconsin Budget Repair Bill. Subsequently, anti-tax activists and other conservatives, including Tea Party advocates, launched small pockets of counter-protests. The protests centered on the Wisconsin state capitol in Madison, with satellite protests also occurring at other municipalities throughout the state. Demonstrations took place at various college campuses, including the University of Wisconsin-Madison and the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee. After the collective bargaining bill was upheld by the Wisconsin Supreme Court on June 14, the number of protesters declined to about 1,000 within a couple days. The protests were a major driving force for recall elections of state senators in 2011 and 2012, the failed recall of Governor Scott Walker in 2012, and a contentious Wisconsin Supreme Court election in 2011. Wisconsin was the first state in the United States to provide collective bargaining rights to public employees in 1959. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.